So what made you dream to become an artist, Chris? What pushed you to become a P-pop artist?
I kind of found out about the K-pop industry around like 2019, and that's because of BTS. And I watched Jungkook, and he is my role model talaga. He's the reason why I was really interested in, being in the K-pop industry, and kaya din pinursu ko talaga yung pagiging idol, and I'm so glad that I got to push through naman, and it was crazy then kasi I got to meet him in 2023 when he was promoting Seven.
So how was the feeling when you met your very ultimate bias?
It was unreal. Honestly, the whole K-pop music show experience was unreal for all of us. To see the reason why I'm there is really crazy. So it was nakakakilig talaga siya para sa akin.
Yes, how about you?
For me, it almost came naturally because nung high school ako, marami akong friends na mahilig sa K-pop. And at that time, I wasn't very interested pa sa K-pop around mga 2016 until I saw Blackpink, they released their debut. And that's when I really got into the whole aspect of K-pop, because before then I was already interested in performing. Like I was dancing in schools and participating in dance clubs. But then I saw how K-pop performers they really can do it all. Like they can dance, they sing, and they also have so much stage presence that they can inspire. Because back then, of course, I know a lot of the fans here relate. Kasi most of us here, we haven't seen them personally unless magka-concert sila sa Philippines or whatnot. So for me back then, it was just watching them sa screens. Pero still, naramdaman ko yung inspiration from watching them perform. And yeah, that's how I got into the whole P-pop, K-pop performing game.
Okay, so